You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, name I should say, quite confusing American musician. If you want to learn more names of celebrities from music, stay tuned. Stevie Ray Vaughan, frontman of the blues rock trio Stevie Ray Vaughan, and Double Trouble guitarist Stevie Ray Vaughan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.